libremente esta máquina.
Good morning, this is Phillips from Any House Cleaning. We are gonna clean the fence. There is some mold on the fence. Let me try to record a little bit. We have been cleaning that side, but this is the condition of the fence. The sun comes here, and this is the most affected area in the fence. In that area, you cannot see that much. There is two ways that we clean that. First of all, we pre-clean it, or we pre-treat the area with chlorine. I have two ways to do it. I have my sprayer by hydroforce connected with our machine that does carpet and tile and pressure washer. This is our portable as a backup. Tienes que ajustarlo bien. And you can spray with the sprayer connected to the machine. But another way is to use this kind of bottle. You buy this kind of bottle for cleaning the concrete or glass cleaner. I like this bottle because you can connect to the garden hose, and you put half of water and a little bit of clorox, and it will spray. You have to connect it really good. Let me pause. Okay, now we are connected the garden hose to the bottle, and I like this way of spraying or pre-treating something. You can use any kind of technique to pre-spray the Clorox or the cleaner, but I really like that. I use it in large areas like this, and I even have another video using that technique when I was pressure washer a tile or a patio. So inside the bottle is some chlorine or Clorox mixed with water. Sí. Okay. To do it is with this bottle. This is the brand. It's an adaptable hose and a sprayer, and it has different type of tips. Show me how it works. This is one way to pre-spray if you want that way. And then change the tip, candle tip. You can spray that way too, or either way. So there is so different type of sprayers that you can use. The professional with the inline sprayer that is by hydroforce, with a regular pump, with this kind of a sprayer, or the other one. It's up to you. The most important part is to pre-spray and to put the mildew cleaner on the fence, and then rinse with a pressure washer. Thank you for watching. Phillips from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye. 407-572-4118.